Method 1, first SAQ. This SAQs in the form of A sin theta plus B cos theta equals to C. If the given equation is in the form of either A cos theta or A sin theta, or given equation is in cos by means secant theta, tan theta, anyway we have to arrange the given equation in this form. Which form? That is A sin theta plus B cos theta equals to C. After arranging the given equation in this form, we have to divide the whole equation by root over a square plus b square. Okay, we have to divide the whole equation by a square plus b square. Now see the first question. Solve the equation root 2 sin x plus cos x equals to root 3 given equation. Okay, so I'm writing the given equation. If you multiply root 2 into sin x, root 2 sin x plus root 2 into cos x, root 2 cos x equals to root 3. Now if you compare with a sin x plus b cos x, the rule is dividing both sides by a square plus b square. So a means coefficient of sin x, that is root 2. B means coefficient of cos x, again root 2. If you divide whole equation by root over a square plus b square, means root 2 square is how much? 2, and root 2 square is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and what about root 4? Root 4 is 2. Now we have to divide the given whole equation by root 2. Okay, so always we have to write the ratios first. So first ratio is our sin x. Root 2 is there, we are dividing by 2, plus cos x is there, we are dividing by 2, root 2 divided by 2, and root 3 is there, we are dividing by 2. Each term divided by root 2. But we know that root 2 divided by 2 is root 2. 2 we can write root 2 into root 2. Now 1 root 2 get cancelled. This will becomes 1 by root 2. Now in the place of root 2 by root 2, root 2 by 2, we can write 1 by root 2. So our equation becomes sin x 1 by root 2 plus cos x 1 by root 2 equals to root 3 by 2. Now this equation we have to convert either in the form of sin a plus b or cos a plus b. So what about the formula of sin a plus b? I am writing here. Formula of sin of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Formula of sin of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. If you want to convert this equation in the form of sin a plus b, so we need this 1 by 2 in terms of cos, 1 by root 2 in terms of sin. So I am writing sin x as it is, 1 by root 2 in terms of cos, so cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is how much? 1 by root 2. So in the place of 1 by root 2, can we write pi by 4? Cos pi by 4? Yes. Similarly, cos x, again 1 by root 2, but we have to write in the terms of sin. So 1 by root 2 comes in sin pi by 4. 1 by root 2. Pi by 4 actually, sorry. Equals to root 3 by 2 in terms of sin pi by 3, sin 60. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So sin of x plus pi by 4 equals to sin pi by 3. Okay, so given equation becomes sin x plus pi by 4 is sin pi by 3. Now general equation, we know that if sin theta equals to sin alpha, sin theta equals to sin alpha, then its general solution is theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha, where n belongs to z. So general solution of sin theta equals to sin alpha is theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n in n, where n alpha n belongs to z. So in the place of alpha, pi by 3 is there. In the place of theta, x plus 5 by 4 is there. So our solution is x plus pi by 4. X plus pi by 4 is n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into pi by 3. Now this pi by 4 becomes minus. From this one we can make x as a subject. Finally we can write x equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n pi by 3 minus pi by 4, where n belongs to z. So this is our final answer. Okay, x equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into pi by 3 minus pi by 4. Second question is, solve the equation root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equals to root 2. Again, second question also in the form of a sin theta plus b cos theta equals to c. If the given equation is in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta equals to c, here the procedure is we have to divide the whole equation by a square plus b square. If you compare the given equation with a sin theta plus b cos theta equals to c, so here a equals to coefficient of sin theta is root 3, b equals to coefficient of cos theta is minus 1. So a square plus b square becomes, what about root 3 square? Root 3 square is 3 and minus 1 whole square is 1. So 3 plus 1 is root 4. And what about root 4 equals to 2? So now we have to divide the given equation each term by 2. So first write the ratio sin theta, root 3 is there dividing by 2, minus cos theta 1 is there dividing by 2, equals to root 2 is there, we are dividing by 2. We already know that root 2 divided by 2 is 1 by root 2. Root 2 by 2 is how much? 1 by root 2. Now we have to convert this equation in the form of sin a minus b. And what is the formula of sin a minus b? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Formula of sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. The sin is there. We have to convert root 3 by 2 in terms of cos as well as 1 by 2 in terms of sin. Okay, so this first term sin theta as it is, root 3 by 2 in terms of cos. We know that cos pi by 6, how much? Cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, in the place of root 3 by 2 we can write cos pi by 6 minus cos theta as it is. Now 1 by 2 in terms of sin, we know that sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value in terms of sin is sin pi by 6. So in the place of 1 by 2 we can write sin pi by 6, and in the place of 1 by root 2, in the place of 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 means sin 45. 1 by root 2 means sin 45. Yeah, pi by 4. So sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This will become sin of a minus b theta minus pi by 6 equals to sin pi by 4. Okay, sin pi by 4. Now we have to write the general solution. Now given equation becomes in the form of sin theta equals to sin alpha. I am writing here, we know that if sin theta equals to sin alpha, sin theta equals to sin alpha, then its general solution is theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha, where alpha belongs to z. This is the general solution of the given equation. If the question is converted in the form of sine theta equals to sine alpha. Now if you compare with this one, so our theta is theta minus pi by 6 and alpha is pi by 4. So theta is theta minus pi by 6 equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n, and what about alpha? That is pi by 4. From this one we can make theta as a subject. Theta becomes n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n pi by 4. This minus pi by 6 becomes plus pi by 6, where n belongs to z. So this is our final answer of the given question. Solution of the given question is theta equals to n pi minus 1 to the power of n into pi by 4 plus pi by 6. Okay. Now question number 3 is solve the equation sin x plus root 3 cos x equals to root 2. First write on the given equation. Given equation is sin x plus root 3 cos x equals to root 2. Again, this equation also in the form of a sin x plus b cos x equals to c. So procedure is dividing whole equation by root over a square plus b square. But here one more condition is there. Either we can convert in terms of cos or sine. In previous questions, I show you how to convert the given equation in terms of sine. Now, question number 3 and 4, I will show you how to convert these equations in terms of cos also. We can prove either in sine or cos, both are right. Okay. Now, if you convert the equation in terms of cos, so we are going to use the formula of either cos a plus b or cos a minus b. And we know that formula of cos a minus b is cos a cos b minus plus sin a sin b. A minus b becomes cos a cos b, minus is there, then here plus will come, sin a sin b. Formula of cos a minus b is both are cos a cos b plus both are sin a sin b. Okay, and this problem we are going to use cos pi by 6 root 3 by 2, sin pi by 6 1 by 2, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Anyway, if you compare the given equation with a sin x plus b cos x equals to c, so a equals to coefficient of sin x is 1, b equals to root 3, dividing both sides by root over a square plus b square, 1 plus, we know that root 3 square is, since b is root 3 square is 3, 1 plus 3 is root 4, and what about root 4 equals to 2. Now divide the whole equation by 2. If you divide the whole equation by 2, but I am writing, I want to convert this equation in the form of cos. So I am writing from this. Okay. So first write the ratio cos x, root 3 is there, dividing both sides by 2, plus sin x, 1 is there, dividing both sides by 2, equals to root 2 is there, dividing both sides by 2, and we know that root 2 by 2 is how much? 1 by root 2. Root 2 by 2 is 1 by root 2. Now we have to convert in the form of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, means this root 3 by 2 we have to convert in terms of cos, 1 by 2 in terms of sin. So first term is cos x as it is. Now root 3 by 2 in terms of cos, we know that cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 we can write cos pi by 6 plus sin x, and 1 by 2 in terms of cos is sin pi by 6. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, and this 1 by root 2 again in terms of cos we can write cos pi by 4. So this is in the form of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. What about formula of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b? That is cos of a minus b. So a means x minus b means pi by 6 equals to cos pi by 4. Now this is in the form of cos theta equals to cos alpha. I am writing here. We know that if cos theta equals to cos alpha, then its general solution theta equals to, what about cos theta equals to cos alpha? Then its general solution is theta equals to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where alpha belongs to z. Formula is 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where alpha belongs to z. So here in the place of theta we have to write x minus pi by 6. In the place of pi by 4 is alpha is pi by 4. So x minus pi by 6 equals to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. And what about alpha? That is pi by 4, where n belongs to z. Now finally we have to make x as a subject. If we make x as a subject, this minus become plus. So our answer is 2n pi. First time I am writing plus pi by 4 plus pi by 6. Second time I am writing minus. So x equals to 2n pi minus, I am taking this pi by 4. First time I am taking as the plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 plus pi by 6. Okay. If you write the LCM of this one, this will becomes 5 pi by 12, and this is a minus pi by 12. Okay. So final answer is 2n pi. LCM of 5 and 4 and 6 is 12. Okay. 4 3s are 6 2s are means 5 pi, and this will become 2n pi. LCM is 12. So this 4 3s are, so minus 3 pi plus 2 pi is minus pi by 12. So these are the values of x. Okay. Fourth problem. Solve the equation tan theta plus secant theta equals to root 3. Tan theta plus secant theta is there. We have to convert the given equation in terms of sine and cos. So what about tan theta? So first add on the given equation, tan theta plus secant theta equals to root 3, and theta lies between 0 to 2 pi, means 360 degrees. So I am converting sine in terms of sine and cos. Tan theta means sine theta divided by cos theta, and secant theta is reciprocal of cos, that is 1 by cos theta, equals to root 3. Now cross multiply, this will becomes sine theta plus 1 equals to, LCM is cos theta. If you cross multiply, this is root 3 into cos theta. Okay. So I am writing as, start from cos theta. So cos theta into root 3 plus become minus sine theta equals to 1. Now this is in the form of our first method. What about first method? Cos theta plus a cos theta plus b sin theta equals to c, or a sin theta plus b cos theta equals to c. So here rule is dividing the whole equation by root over a square plus b square. A square means root 3, b square means coefficient of 1 is minus 1. So root 3 square is 3, minus 1 whole square is 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, root 4 is 2. So we have to divide now the whole equation by 2. So given equation becomes first term cos theta as it is, root 3 dividing by 2. First we have to write the ratios. Sin theta as it is 1 by root 2. Since we are dividing by 2 now, so 2 equals to, we are dividing by 2. Root 3 already is there, sorry 1 is there, dividing by 2. So this will become 1 by 2. Now we are converting in the terms of cos. So cos A cos B minus sin A sin B form will become cos of A plus B. To make cos of A plus B, we need both the terms cos and both the terms sin. So first term is cos is there. Second term means that is root 3 by 2. Also we have to convert in terms of cos. So cos theta and root 3 by 2 in terms of cos, we know that cos pi by 6. minus sine theta 1 by 2 in terms of cos or sine. We need both are cos, both are sine. So sine 1 by 2 in terms of sine is sine pi by 6. And 1 by 2 in terms of cos is cos pi by 3. So this is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is the formula of cos A plus B. Cos of A means theta plus B means pi by 6 equals to cos pi by 3. Now this is in the form of cos theta equals to cos alpha. Its general solution is theta equals to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where alpha belongs to z. But here theta means theta plus pi by 6 equals to 2n pi plus or minus alpha means pi by 6. Anyway, we have to make finally theta as a subject. So final answer theta becomes 2n pi plus or minus pi by 6 plus or minus pi by 6 or pi by 3? Pi by 3. Plus or minus pi by 3. This minus pi by 6. Plus becomes minus pi by 6. Okay. So this is all about first method when the given equations are in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c. The rule is dividing both sides by a square plus b square. Either we have to convert the given equations in the form of sin a plus b or sin a minus b, or cos a plus b or cos a minus b. If you convert the whole equation in terms of cos, we have to compare with cos, write the primary solution and general solution. If you compare with the sine, write the primary solution and general solution. Okay. Now fifth problem of method 1. If tan pi cos theta equals to cot pi sin theta, then prove that cos theta minus pi by 4 equals to plus or minus 1 by root 2. First write on the given. Given is tan pi cos theta equals to cot pi sin theta. This is in the form of tan theta equals to tan alpha, but tan is not there, cot is there. First we have to convert the ratio cot in terms of tan. So tan pi cos theta, this cot I am writing tan pi by 2 minus theta, since formula of cot theta is tan 90 minus theta. So cot becomes cot pi by 2 minus theta. So this is in the form of tan theta equals to tan alpha. So what about theta here? Theta means pi cos theta and alpha means pi by 2 pi sin theta. Is the general solution is theta equals to n pi plus alpha. Now what about theta here? Pi cos theta equals to n pi plus alpha means pi by 2 minus pi sin theta. So make this one as positive. Pi cos theta minus becomes plus pi sin theta equals to n pi plus pi by 2. Okay. Now we can take pi common from both sides. So this will become cos theta plus sin theta, taking after pi common. Here also if you take pi common, n plus pi common 1 by 2. Now both side pi get cancelled. Now we have to compare this one as a cos theta plus b sin theta equals to c. So what about a equals to 1 and b equals to 1? Now rule 1, method 1, if the given question is in the form of a cos theta or a sin theta plus b cos theta, we have to divide the whole equation by a square plus b square. That is 1 square plus 1 square is root 2. If you divide the whole equation by root 2, cos theta 1 by root 2 plus sin theta dividing by 1 by root 2 equals to, if you take LCM, 2 n's are 2n plus 1 by 2, we are dividing by root 2. So this will become 2 root 2. Okay. Now cos theta 1 by root 2 plus sin theta 1 by root 2. Now we have to convert 1 by root 2 in terms of cos, 1 by root 2 in terms of sin. Since cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B form, we have to convert. So this will becomes cos theta 1 by root 2 in terms of cos, that is cos pi by 4, sin theta 1 by root 2 in terms of sin, sin pi by 4 equals to 2n plus 1 to root 2. So this is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and we know that formula of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos of A minus B theta minus pi by 4 equals to 2n plus 1 by 2 root 2, 2n plus 1 by 2 root 2. But we know that one more thing, if tan alpha equals to tan alpha, its general solution theta equals to n pi plus alpha, where alpha belongs to z, integer. So here if you put n equals to 0 and minus 1, if you put n equals to 0, 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 by root 2. So it will become 1 by 2 root 2. If you put n equals to minus 1, 2 ones are minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this will becomes plus or minus 1 by 2 root 2 cos theta minus pi by 4 becomes cos theta minus pi by 4 becomes plus or minus 1 by 2 root 2 for n equals to 0 comma minus 1. So this is, we have to show that cos theta minus pi by 2 is plus or minus 1 by root 2. So this is trigonometric equation type 1. All the 5 questions either given in the form of a sin theta plus b cos theta equals to c, or we have to convert in that form. Then we have to compare with a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c, dividing whole thing by root over a square plus b square. Then we have to compare with either cos theta equals to cos alpha, tan theta equals to tan alpha, sin theta equals to sin alpha. Then we have to write its general equations, general solutions. Okay.